UNM PATS provides transportation across all of UNM's main campus, offered free of charge to UNM students, staff, faculty, and visitors. The current shuttle system is flawed and is unnecessarily stressing out students all across the university. The shuttles are extremely unpredictable and at times very unreliable. PATS needs to focus their efforts on optimizing their tracking functions and overall bus information. The way students can track the shuttles is rather difficult. A prototype system called eBus will facilitate the way of interactivity among the three actors, which makes the transportation system convenient to use, more effective, and efficient. In addition, creating a visual analysis of UNM transportation can further improve the quality of PATS. Now let's talk about some of the main issues. The first is how long shuttles take to travel their given routes and the amount of time they take to reach each stop. The second is unreliability and unpredictability of the schedules and of overflows. The third is how the app is not student friendly and could be a lot better than what it is. The question at hand is, how can UNM shuttles be more student friendly, effective, and efficient? The answer is with these two things, eBus and visual analysis. eBus. It's an app developed for students to directly access the bus's movements and locations on a desired path, facilitate the interactivity between them and bus drivers, provide the ability for the students to know the bus arrival time, which reduces student waiting time and allowing the students to know if the bus left them or not. For the visual analysis, developing a visual analysis would create map and route views to better locate and follow the shuttle system. It would also create a calendar view, which is meant to show when and where people are taking shuttles during certain hours of the day, every day. The analysis creates more accurate transportation times. Now let's talk about eBus. The eBus application/system drastically increases the interactivity of the students. Once a student logs into the system, drivers will know if there's anyone lingering in the parking lots or nearby. The system will also allow students to select certain routes and shuttles to know where and when they will be at certain stops using GPS. Drivers can put the status of the shuttle on the app so that students know whether they are operational or not, and if the shuttle is at full capacity. Another great thing about eBus is that it implements surveys. The top three most important service attributes are waiting time, travel time, and reliability. Like the chart shows on the left, it starts off by giving surveys to students, which goes to the bus providers, which helps set up and improve services and implements them into new and improved services and performances. The visual analysis. Tracking and visual analytics provide students with the tools to better understand when and where to wait for shuttles. They also vastly improve commute time. PATS needs to collect extensive data of bus schedules, routes, actual route times, number of passengers at each stop, and numbers of passengers taking the shuttles at each hour. If PATS could conduct an analysis like this, they would be able to provide students with a lot of important information. For example, busy times or hotspots. Before we take any action, we need to know the cost and the benefits. For the cost, a couple of app developers. It would only take about a week, and also the time needed to gather data for the visual analysis. The benefits, it would make a student-friendly app and improve the overall efficiency, effectiveness, and quality of the shuttle system. The budget. UNM has more than enough to cover the development of the app and the visual analysis. To add on to that, UNM PATS employees could be assigned to work on these projects instead of hiring outside people and wasting more money. Another thing is that the eBus app would be easy to replicate since the work has already been done. The framework's already there. There are a lot of improvements that can be implemented into PATS shuttle system like transit tracking system, visual analytics, better student interactivity, and overall shuttle quality, efficiency, and effectiveness. All these things could be fixed rather quickly, excluding the visual analysis. If all these methods are used, UNM PATS we'll be able to make a near perfect shuttle system, making more students take the shuttles, helping the community, environment, reducing traffic, and saving people money. The eBus system has been proven to vastly improve the quality and efficiency of shuttles and encourage more students to consider taking the bus over other methods.